I was out here washing the old farm truck. Thought y'all might enjoy a satisfying little clip of pressure washing. It's gonna be loud, so I just ain't gonna talk. But people tend to like to watch it. This is a aftermarket turbo nozzle. The one that come with the little pressure washer wouldn't work, so yep. Y'all gonna get your little fix of pressure washing a truck that ain't been washed in a year. Looks pretty cool. Well, y'all seen enough. I used the little foam cannon. This is a cat pressure washer from Sam's, 2200 PSI. The turbo nozzle that was on it, it washed like this little bit right there and it quit working. So I went and got my like $50 turbo nozzle tip off of my other pressure washer, and it works pretty good. But I'm tired of holding the camera with one hand and trying to wash with the other. It gets me tired. So hope y'all enjoyed the little clip.